Claw Mythic only challenge, except today we're doing it with my friend over here. Make sure to check his channel. It's channel out. It's Fortnite God. Grey background with an F in the middle. Okay. Make sure to check that channel out as well. So let's get into this Howler Claw Mythic only challenge. Yeah, we will win. Wait. So we both have a Howler Claw, and which is already a good start. So weapons are only allowed to use Howler Claw. We don't have a key. Well, I guess the only reason we would need a key is for health and that. Oh my god. I don't like these, how it does the thing, my bob. A flopper and a med kit. I'm gonna med kit real quick. Yeah, the Howler Claws are also very quick if you get an animal. So we should get an animal, okay, Chase? So, yeah. Goo gun. Oh, I'm sad. Yeah, guys, I'll also be doing some myth busting videos with my friend here. Yeah, we are the Meow Skulls gang. Supply drop, I think. Yeah. Bruh, my friends think I don't have aimbot. We can't really get the supply drop because like it's up there. Yes, you have to make sure your videos are for kids, adults, not kids, no kids. Otherwise you can't comment. Anyways, okay, you guys never heard anything? Yeah. I'm getting hit from a zombie chicken and a kid. Okay, he's dead. His actual's gone. Yeah. He is gone. Okay, heals. Bruh, Ranger, seriously? You want the Ranger? It should be an Evo Chrome Chase. You can get a legendary. And it's such a burster. Some minis. I've Chug Splash a Flopper. Really? Good chest! And we can't get any weapons from it except for the stuff. It had a legendary Ranger, guys. It had a legendary Ranger, and guess what? We can't use it. Guys. This is how crazy. I don't need the medkit because I have floppers and medmist, and I could use some of my, what's it called, Chug Splash. Yeah. I should be really holding my. Yeah, everybody make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Yeah, it would be really helpful to get us up into the, yeah, it would be really helpful. Yeah. And when I reach about 100 subscribers, I'm pretty sure, we'll do a skin giveaway. So comment your name down below when that's done. Okay, there is nothing to be used. Same. I'll also be playing one round with one of my subscribers as well. Maybe 2 rounds, 3 rounds, 1v1s. Yeah, make sure. You get a skin. So, yeah, we'll do also if we'll comment your name down, you'll verse me and my friend here, Chase. And if you win, we'll gift you something, right? We'll gift you anything you want from the item shop. But there's a budget. It can't be more than 1,500 V-Bucks. I found two god chests in this same game. I found 2 god chests, and I can't use any of the weapons. be able to. Okay, there's fighting over here. There's fighting over here, guys. Okay, so peeps, there are people here, peeps. I see them and I'm gonna run because storm. Okay, I love the helicopters, how they do that. I'm gonna camp in here. I'm gonna camp here for a while. I'm just gonna be back right in a sec. Okay, I'm back, guys. I just went to go to the toilet and that, so I'm back. I think we have a really big chance of winning this. There's another supply drop. We'll also be doing a sky basing video, a traversal emote only video, like whole game. Spoilers alert, this video has a lot of spoilers. Shotgun only challenge is going to be sad for us. Yeah, we'll also do a surviving in storm video, so it's going to be pretty interesting. We've been practicing it for a while because like storm sickness is like you don't want to mess with that boy. Well, yeah, I'm just gonna be like oh, they're near. Do we go fight? There's two at least. Okay, we got them. Let's go. Go. I need to. They're coming. Be careful. How do you... Okay, bye. Okay, I'm gonna run because I'm scared. I'm glitched. Okay, there we go. Damn. Okay. How do you know? Don't worry, I'll get you a reboot. Yeah, I won! Okay, I'll get you a reboot card. Okay, I'll reboot you at Shimmering. Switch to Metal because Metal is strongest. And you know where the helicopters are, right? There's a kid here. Yeah. I think they left.
There's one more there, up there.
Okay.
Two of them.
This is the end. No!